Today, I have something special to share with you. 3 creative ways to make $500 a week online. But here's a little secret. One of these is a challenging adventure. One strikes the perfect balance between commitment and flexibility, and one is an easy start. Stay with me until the end to discover which one might be the right choice for you. And at the end of the video, I'd love to hear which method interests you the most, so let me know in the comments. Let's begin with the challenge, the most demanding path among the 3. Imagine it's like running a marathon. It requires training, determination, but in the end, reaching the finish line is incredibly rewarding. Start by looking for freelance job opportunities online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a wide range of projects, from writing to graphic design. The key here is to specialize in a specific area, build your reputation, and learn to negotiate prices. Perseverance is essential. This isn't easy, but to learn faster, I recommend following my YouTube channel for detailed tips and guides. Now, let's move on to the second method, the part-time job, which is the perfect compromise for those who want to earn consistently without committing to a full-time schedule. You can become a virtual assistant offering services like email management, appointment scheduling, or social media management. Or, if you have expertise in a specific subject, you could teach online or work as a freelance writer. This method offers flexibility, allowing you to balance work, life, and passions while ensuring a steady income to cover expenses and save. And now, for the third method, the easiest way to start earning online: harnessing your passion with YouTube and blogging. Leverage your passion on YouTube or a blog. Choose a topic you're passionate about, like cooking, makeup, fitness, or travel, and create high-quality content. Build an audience by sharing your content online and on social media. Once you have a loyal following, you can earn through advertising and affiliate marketing. The key here is patience. This method takes time to grow and generate income, but remember that everyone started somewhere, even successful content creators. The important thing is to start and improve over time. So, which of these 3 methods suits you best? I hope I've been helpful in providing you with the information you need to start earning online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated and keep learning. Good luck on your journey, and until next time.